10 of the healthiest plants to have in your house for a healthy lifestyle. Have you ever thought about how the plants in your home could be more than just decorative? What if I told you that adding the right houseplants to your living space could actually help you breathe cleaner air, reduce your stress, and even improve your sleep? From cleaning toxins out of your air to boosting humidity and enhancing mental clarity, some plants are truly nature's silent healers. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why today, here on Doc Nature TV, we're sharing 10 of the healthiest, most beneficial indoor plants to keep in your house if you're looking to support a healthier, happier lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll not only know which plants are best for your home, but you'll also understand why they work and how to care for them. If you enjoy this kind of natural wellness content, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Doc Nature TV, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more ways to live well naturally. Let's dive into the list. Aloe vera isn't just good for sunburns. This healing succulent is also a powerful air purifier, removing pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene from your environment. Place it near your kitchen window and let it thrive in sunlight with minimal watering. Besides being low maintenance, it also gives you access to its gel for skincare and minor wounds. 2. Snake plant. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, the snake plant is one of the best natural air purifiers. It has a unique ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen even at night, which is rare among plants. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, especially if you're looking to boost sleep quality. It also filters out toxins like xylene and toluene. 3. Bamboo palm. Bamboo palms, also known as butterfly palms, are both beautiful and highly functional. They filter the air, remove harmful chemicals like benzene, and even act as natural humidifiers, making them especially useful in dry environments. They're pet-safe and thrive in filtered light with regular watering. 4. Pothose. One of the most forgiving and easy-to-grow houseplants, pothose is excellent at removing toxins from the air. It helps reduce indoor pollution by breaking down formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. This vine plant also increases humidity, reducing your risk of colds and dry skin. Perfect for beginners and busy plant lovers. 5. Rubber tree. This glossy-leaved beauty is known not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its air-cleaning abilities. The rubber plant fights airborne bacteria and fungal spores and can absorb chemicals like carbon monoxide. It thrives in indirect light and needs only occasional watering, making it great for low-maintenance households. 6. ZZ plant. Zamioculcas zamifolia, or ZZ plant, is another powerhouse that requires little attention. In addition to cleaning the air, its leaves contain antioxidants that support ear health and may relieve inflammation. It resists pests and disease naturally and can tolerate low light conditions, making it an ideal choice for offices or darker corners of your home. 7. Dracaena Gold Star. Dracaena is great for removing airborne toxins like trichloroethylene and formaldehyde. This striking plant is known to help alleviate symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and even respiratory issues caused by poor indoor air quality. It thrives in indirect sunlight and needs watering only when the soil feels dry. 8. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera, with its giant, fenestrated leaves, does more than just beautify a room. It acts as a natural humidifier and traps airborne particles, which can ease respiratory problems and dry skin. Place it in a well-lit space and water it weekly. Its rapid growth means you'll enjoy fast results in air quality and ambience. 9. Spider plant. A favorite among houseplant lovers, the spider plant is known for removing harmful toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. It's non-toxic and even edible, making it one of the safest choices for homes with pets or small children. The spider plant also helps reduce stress and fatigue while purifying the air. 10. Ficus lyrata, fiddle leaf fig. Popular among interior designers, this statement plant does more than make your home Instagram-worthy. It purifies the air, traps dust, and balances humidity. With just 2 or 3 waterings a week and a spot near indirect sunlight, Ficus lyrata improves air quality and may help reduce common colds, sore throats, and allergies. So there you have it. 10 of the healthiest plants you can keep in your house to promote cleaner air, greater well-being, and a calmer space. Which one of these is your favorite? Do you already have any of them in your home? Or are you planning to try one now? Drop a comment below to let us know your plant journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Stay green, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Doc Nature TV.